Hi, David.
Hi.
Oh.
Today we're presenting Nerf.
Okay.
I got an X shoot. So I'll get out of here.
What is this?
It's
Let
an
me see.
X shoot. Look, I shoot. You need to pull this thing. Step 1, pull the thing. Step 2, push on this thing.
Good shot.
Okay, I'll try another one. See if I can knock down all of it.
Nice.
Yeah!
Okay.
But it's only gonna get better, so let's get it. Let's launch back these 2 bullets that I just shoot.
What can we do in the next one?
We can make a bunch of patterns out of these cans. Look, we have like these cans. Look.
Yes.
Look, you have a target in these cans. Look, you have a target.
Yeah.
And you can see some holes. Look. 1, 2, 3. 3 holes in this one. 3 holes. Holes.
Okay.
Okay?
Hi.
Okay. Now we got our guest again. It's Papa.
So you first.
Okay, let me shoot.
Nice.
It almost hit.
Okay. Next one is by Papa. Let me see. It's good?
Yes, you only hit 1, but it should definitely fall down.
Okay. I have how many chance
You have
for me?
6 chance.
It's good?
Yeah, that's good. You knocked out 1.
And again?
Yes, you can try as many.
Hey! Why?
Okay, it still counts. Okay, it still counts.
Good!
Yes! Only.
Okay.
What?
Okay,
It's done.
maybe next one.
No,
Miss.
I missed.
Again.
This-
Nice!
Got 1.
Nice.
Why am I always missing the down 1?
No problem. Again.
Still can't shoot it.
Okay, I give you the chance.
Let's see if I shoot on this chair. Ah! I could never. They get closer.
Good. Is it too close for you? Yeah. Good idea. Good job.
Eh.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.